Right now, every single friend on your Snapchat can see exactly where you are. Your home, your school, your workplace, it's all on the map. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Snapchat location to anywhere in the world. Works on both iPhone and Android. No jailbreak, no root, takes less than a minute. Now, before we start, you might have seen people recommending VPNs for this. Here's why that doesn't work. Snapchat tracks your location through your phone's GPS hardware, not your IP address. So even if your VPN says you're in Tokyo, Snapchat still knows you're at home. What you actually need is a GPS location changer. Let me show you. For iPhone, you'll need a computer. Download PoGoskill from the link in the description. It works on both Windows and Mac. Open it up, connect your iPhone with a USB cable, and you'll see your current location on the map. Now let's say I want to appear in New York. I'll type New York in the search bar, hit enter, and click Move. Now watch my iPhone. Open Snapchat, go to Snap Map, and there I am, standing in the middle of Manhattan. My friends see it too. And this isn't just a one-time teleport. PoGoskill has a multi-spot mode where you can set a walking route. So if someone checks your location twice, it looks like you're actually moving through the streets. You can set the speed to walking, cycling, or driving. Totally realistic. And the best part? Even after you unplug your iPhone, the fake location stays. It won't reset until you restart your phone. So you're in full control. On Android, the process is even simpler. Download PoGoskill directly on your phone. No computer needed. One quick setup step. Go to your phone settings, tap About Phone, tap Build Number 7 times to enable developer options. Then go to Developer Options, select Mock Location App, and choose PoGoskill. Now open PoGoskill, pick any location. Let's try London this time. Tap Start and switch back to Snapchat. You're in London. Unlike free GPS apps from the Play Store, PoGoskill won't randomly reset your location in the background. That's actually a big deal. Imagine you're pranking a friend and suddenly your real location pops back up. With PoGoskill, your location stays where you set it until you change it yourself. Here's a bonus most people don't know about. Every city has its own exclusive Snapchat geofilters. Change your location to Paris and you get the Eiffel Tower filter. Jump to Tokyo and you get completely different ones. It's a fun way to make your story stand out without spending a dime on plane tickets. When you're done, getting back to your real location is easy. On iPhone, just restart your phone. On Android, go back to PoGoskill and tap Stop, or just turn off the mock location setting. PoGoskill is free to download. Link is right here in the description. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. I post location tips like this every week. See you in the next one.